kind request to you that if you satisfied with our work, definitely you will give us a 5-star rating on Fiverr. It is our
Yes, I
it is our
will.
kind request.
Yes,
Okay,
very
thank you so much.
perfect.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
Bye bye.
thank you.
Okay, this is Paravi. So you talked with us on Fiverr and you want to do a short Zoom meeting about your work. So how can we help you?
Well, I basically have been doing videos and I just started a YouTube page. It's brand new and I want to start from the bottom up. I need support with like a banner and a logo, and I need intros and outros created. And it's like I want a really beautiful, soft pastel vibe with the intro and the outro. The channel is called Truly Believe, Truly Fi. And then, yeah, and then I need support just like making the page really clean and some SEO work and help with descriptions with that. And yeah, so this is new to me too. So I'm just like, but I got all these videos. I sent you one yesterday. So I sent you the very first introduction video and maybe doing some editing. So I don't know. It's all brand new to me. I just need support basically with making it look professional and support with the marketing end.
I see. I see. So no problem. You are in the right place. So definitely we can help you to create a professional YouTube channel with logos, intro, outro videos, and SEO and marketing. So at first, can you give me some your competitor intro video ideas so that we can make?
Yeah, I sent you some files yesterday, so I don't know if you got the files, but more of like this blooming flower, very soft and pastel looking, very soft and I don't know, with some birds, very feminine actually. So very soft and feminine and happy, and with maybe some piano music,
I see. I see.
and yeah, it's more of
Okay.
a spiritual channel. It's more of a inspirational spiritual channel.
Okay, okay. So we will create separate intro and outro video, and we will send to you. And we will also create various logo and two or three cover photos. Then we will send you. We will send to you. Then we will upload your channel. That banner and logo and intro and outro video also. And beside this, what we can do for you?
Well, that's about it. I mean, I just need the support to get it organized and to get it up and ready, and then maybe a continuous support with uploading the videos and with the intro and the outro, and maybe doing some editing.
Okay, so when you create your videos or capture your videos, you send to us. We can edit and we put your intro and outro. Then we will edit professionally. Then we will upload your videos and do SEO, and then we will create thumbnail for your videos, attractive thumbnail also for your videos, and we can manage your channel overall, and we can help you to grow your channel gradually because we are
Okay,
expert.
perfect.
Yeah, we are expert. We know how to grow a YouTube channel very fast, and we know how to create a clickbait thumbnail, eye catchy thumbnail, how to create a lucrative intro and outro video. We are very professional. So we will work with you, and it would be very pleasure for us if we can grow your channel and if we can do something for you.
Okay, perfect. So do we do like a sample just so that I can see like just if you can do the intro and outro for me?
Yeah, if you give us some sample, it would be easy for us.
Oh, I don't have a sample. I'm wanting you to give me a sample of your work.
Okay, okay, no problem. So we will create some sample for you, and then if you finalize, then we will go with that.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. So after finishing the meeting, if we need anything to know from you, then we will ask to you. and you will assist us, then definitely we will create attractive intro, attractive outro, and attractive channel cover, attractive channel logo. And we also do overall your channel SEO also. Overall your channel SEO and marketing also we will do from our side.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, ma'am.
Beautiful.
Yeah. So it would be very pleasure for us if we can grow your channel, and hope to work with you for a long time. We will send. We will,
Okay.
yeah, we will send a custom offer. We will send a custom offer to you. Uh, so how much price you will give us? It is depends on you. No problem.
Well, what's the price?
We will create your intro video and outro video, and we will create a logo, and we will overall do your channel SEO. And then when you upload, when you capture video, then you send to us, then we will edit, and then continuously we will upload it. Right now we will do only logo, banner, and channel SEO, and intro and outro video. And for that work you can give us 100 USD.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So we'll send, after finishing the meeting, we'll send you a custom offer. And request to you that if you satisfied with our work, definitely you will give us a 5-star rating on Fiverr. It is our
Yes, I
it is our
will.
kind request.
Yes,
Okay.
very
Thank you so much.
perfect.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
Bye bye.
thank you.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.